Jurassic Quest is back. Welcome back, you guys. Tonight, we're going to review the newest dinosaur. Tonight, we're finally going to go to the This is it, you guys. As I was saying, shall we do this again? Anyway, this is the newest form of dinosaur safari. Well, it's kind of like Jurassic Quest, all the dinosaurs. Starting with this Pyroraptor. Amazing! So many. Weird. I thought. Oh yeah, that's because it is. Please be Sorbosidon. Oh, never mind. It's Brachiosaurus. I touched it with my own hand. Look at that. Carnotaurus! Wow. Wow. Nice to meet you, buddy. Pachycephalosaurus. I thought it was a Stygimoloch. That's one big dino. Tyrannosaurus. Coelophysis? Velociraptor. Is that blue? Okay, time to have some fun. I'm gonna let all the dinosaurs free. There's Triceratops. Amazing, isn't it? Dinosaurs are amazing. I'm gonna touch all of them. Cubosaurus. Can't forget about you. Beautiful angel. I have to touch them. Get them all. Jurassic giants. By command. It's like everything I love all in one place. Pterosaur. Is that the Indominus? Allosaurus! Yes! I finally got you. Good to see you again, big guy. It's a pleasure to meet you, Big Al. One of the best things I've ever met. One of the best dinos I've ever met. Now then, next stop, Spinosaurus. Let's do this. Gotta get that. Whoa. Gotta get that. Holy cow!